Here we go, folks. Check it out. 2013 Dodge Dart. This is an SXT model. This is the backup cam, the alloy wheels. This has the big screen. I believe it's a streaming audio car, auxiliary line in, automatic transmission, power windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD. Real nice two-owner car, no accidents on this vehicle. Serviced and safety inspected. Traded into a brand new Chrysler store. Non-smoker. Real nice car. Clean, very clean. This car has not been driven hard and put up wet. It's a nice one, and you can tell when you take a look at it. You're looking at a guaranteed credit approval program on this vehicle, and the down payments are starting at $795. 2013 Dodge Dart, down payment starting at $795. You're also going to get a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the complete driveline on this vehicle. Only at one place, DasCleveland.com.